When is Father's Day, and who started Father's Day? Father's Day is a holiday celebrated annually in many countries around the world. The day honors fathers and celebrates fatherhood. It is usually celebrated on the third Sunday of June. The exact origins of Father's Day are unknown, but it is thought to have originated in the United States. The first Father's Day was celebrated on June 19, 1910 in Spokane, Washington. A local church pastor, Reverend Dr. Robert Thomas Webb, decided to honor all the fathers in his congregation by holding a special service dedicated to them. The first Father's Day was observed shortly after Mother's Day, which was first celebrated in 1908. There is some debate over who actually started Father's Day. Some people claim that Father's Day was started by Sonora Dodd, while others credit Grace Golden Clayton. Sonora Dodd was born in Spokane, Washington in 1878. Her mother, a Civil War widow, raised her 6 children alone. After hearing a sermon about mothers during a Mother's Day service, Sonora Dodd came up with the idea to have a Father's Day celebration. She initially suggested June 5th, the anniversary of her father's death, but the day was later changed to the third Sunday of June. Grace Golden Clayton was a resident of West Virginia who is also thought to have came up with the idea for Father's Day in 1908. Clayton was not happy with the commercialization of Mother's Day, so she decided to come up with a holiday to honor fathers. Her idea was endorsed by the Father's Day Council, a group that was established in 1924 to promote Father's Day. That's all for this video. I hope you found your answer. Father's Day is celebrated on the third Sunday of June every year. However, who came up with Father's Day is still a mystery apparently. Thank you for watching.